might have been wrong. Yeah, it is. Has less than certainly less than 2 ohms. Oh, there it is, up around 4 ohms. I don't know. And obviously it's unplugged from the wall right now. If it was plugged in, it might blow my ohm meter fuse in the multimeter, right? I don't know. I don't know if this is the thermostat or the high limit. I'm embarrassed. I don't know what this thing is. Oh, I guess that's where it settled. 0.3 ohms, not milliohms, not mega ohms. 0.2 ohms. Back to 0.3, 0.2. So that's a closed circuit if I've ever seen one, right? So yeah, I don't know. Sorry.